How to add calendar date picker in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. Then at the top, right click on the ribbon and then click on Customize the ribbon. After that, on the right side, scroll down and search for developer and make sure you have tick mark and then press on OK. After you have done that, press on developer at the top. Then click on add-ins. In add-ins, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, simply click on store at the top, which will open your store. In here, search date picker and then add mini calendar and date picker. After you have pressed on add, press on continue. After you have pressed on continue, you're good to go. This is how to add calendar date picker in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.